So we'll continue this questions in a part 2. So sorry for the disconnecting. Now, A and B can do a piece of work in 8 days. B and C can do it in 24 days. While C and A can do it in 4 by 7 days. In how many days can C do it alone? What they are giving here? First, read the question carefully. A and B can do a piece of work in 8 days. B and C can do it in 24 days, while C and A do it in 4 by 7 days. In how many days? C alone they are asking. C alone they are asking, right? Just check here. Now, first, what they are given? A plus B equal to in 8 days. They complete in 8 days together. Okay, here everything they given it together. And B plus C in 24 days. Okay, and A plus C or C plus A. So A and C will get 8 by 8, 4 by 7. Right? Now, let's take it here. So this convert in a normal fraction, it's a mixed fraction, right? So 856, 56 plus 4. 56 plus 4 is 60, 60 by 7. Right? So 60 by 7. So these two. Now we got the total. Now just find the efficiency of this 3 in normal manner. Take the LCM in the normal manner. So 8, 24. 8 is 24 factors. So leave about this 24. So 24 and 60. 24 and 60. 60. 60. 120. 120. 124. 5. So 5. Okay. 120 is the LCM. 120 is the LCM. So 8 120 means it's 15. It is 5. Okay. It is 2. Right? Okay. 2 actually. So it is 24 by, it is 60 by 7, right? So 120 by 60 by 7 is nothing but 7. So 14. This is nothing but 14. Okay. Now we got the individual efficiency of total 3. So just calculate 3 members. Now see here. Just add these two first of all. Add this 2. Add this 2. First add this 3. Then we'll get 2 ABC, right? 2 into ABC. A plus B plus C is what? So 15 plus 5, it's 20. 20 plus 34. 34 is 2A by 4. And ABC, if ABC is nothing but 34 by 2. So what we are doing first of all, we are taking A plus B together, B plus C together, and C plus A. And then we are calculating the efficiency of this one. Efficiency, how we are calculating? Taking the LCM. And LCM by 8 days, by 24 days, by 60 by 7 days, we'll get efficiency of 15, 5, 14. Then just add these 3. Add these 3 means we'll get 2 into 2A, 2B, 2C. 2 into A plus B plus C. Now, it is nothing but 34. Now, A plus B plus C equal to 34 by 2. So, what is that? 34 by 2 is nothing but 17, right? 17 is nothing but A plus B plus C. Clear up to this, right? But what they are asking to find us, find the C, right? Now add these 2 first of all. Add these 2. What will get? A plus B plus B plus C. That means A plus B plus C okay. Now otherwise add directly these 2. These 2. Okay. These 2. This is A, B plus C, right? We can write like this. A plus B plus, add these 2. Plus C plus C. 2C means plus C only, right? So we know this value. What is this value? A plus B value is nothing but 17. 17, right? and equal to, add this to 5 plus 4, 14. It's nothing but 19, right? 19. From this, it is 17 and C equal to 19 minus 17. It's nothing but C efficiency is 2. Guys, you need to note it down. That is efficiency. We find this efficiency. This 2 is nothing but efficiency. Then we need to find that how many days C will take. What is the total units? 120. 120 units by efficiency. What is that efficiency? 2. It's nothing but 60 days. Only C can do the work. Only C can do this work in 60 days. That is efficiency of C. So just step by step, you just recap. So first, we noted down that data A plus B and B plus C and C plus A, right? Now, equal to LCM, taking LCM 120, 120, right? And here, now, here 2A, C. By adding this, 2A plus B plus C will get 34. 15 plus 5 plus 14. So 34. A plus B plus C equal to 34 by 2. It's nothing but 17. We got one equation, right? So one easily we got A plus B plus C. Now, observe this, B plus C and C plus A. If you add these two, what will get? A plus B plus C plus okay, guys. Just see here. So by adding this, we'll get A, B, C plus C. We know the ABC value, that is nothing but 17. Okay, if I add this two, it is nothing but 19. So 19 minus 17 equal to, we'll get A, that is efficiency of C. So total units is 120, efficiency is 2, it's nothing but 60 days. 60 days he will take, right? So this is what? This problem. Okay. So just take that, understand the problem, what they're asking to find us. So you need to note down first of all this, right? Now, moving to the next question. A and B together can complete a work in 8 days and B and C together in 12 days. All of the together can complete of the work in 6 days. In how much time will A and C together complete the work? So here, see what they are asking, same type of question, but they're asking to find us A and C together. Clear? Now, what they given first of all, A and B they given. A and B they given in 8 days. Okay. And B and C they given. B plus C they given in 12 days. And A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Okay. All three together. That means A plus B plus C in 6 days. Take the LCM as usual LCM. So it's a 6 factor of this. It is nothing but 8 and 12. It's 48. 48 is a LCM, right? Sorry, 24 also is LCM, right? Why I have to go for 48? This 24 is LCM. Okay, 24 is LCM. And this is nothing but 3 apples per day, and this is 2 apples per day. This is nothing but 4 apples per day. Right? Now, what they're asking to find us first. A and C, they're asking to find us. So A and C, if you want, so A and C, if you know the B value, okay, if you know the B value, if you know the B value, then if you substitute this B value here, then we can get A plus C, right? So that is what you have to understand. That they're given the same thing, same type of problem, but you have to understand what we have to find out and how we are going to find out. A and C, where A and C is there, here, and extra including here, B is there. If you know the B value, then we can find the A plus C, right? So how we are going to find the B value? Add these two. Add these two. A plus B plus B plus C. Then what is that? A plus B plus B plus C plus B. Take separately. Okay. Now A plus B plus C value we know. What is that? 6. 6. Now add these two. Sorry. First of all, this is nothing but 6. We know this. 6. They given in problem. And add this to 12 plus 8. It's nothing but 20. 20, right? Now B value 20 minus 6. Sorry, not 20. No. Sorry. I'm calculating this. Sorry for this. So what is this value of 3 plus 5? It is 5. Yeah. Yeah. Just check this. A plus B plus C. B is here. 2B, right? It is 3 and it is 2. Just wait a minute, guys. Which is this? Here, A plus B plus C value is nothing but 5. And A plus B plus C is nothing but 4. This is efficiency of this. So now B equal to 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. Now we got the 1 here, right? Now we got the 1 here. So directly just substitute here. A plus B plus C equal to 6, right? And here we know the B value 1, right? Then A plus C equal to 6 minus 1. It is nothing but 5. Now we got the efficiency of A plus B. A plus C efficiency we know 5, right? But they can complete the work they are asking. So total is 24. 24 by 5. 24 by 5 is nothing but 4 and 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 days, right? Right? So this is nothing but, so answer is 4, 4, 5 by days. Okay, clear? The same type mark, just you need to understand. So how we are going to get A plus C. So A plus C is here. So if you know the B value, then you can find the A plus C value. So just add these two, it is 5 and it is 4. Just subtract this. Just subtract this, will get the B value. So B value is 1, then substitute here. So it will get, sorry, again I done the mistake actually. Sorry for this. See here. So 4, this is value of efficiency you have to take. I'm taking every time it's 6. It is 4 only. Efficiency is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, 3. So 24 by 3. 24 by 3, it's nothing but 8 days. 8 days. Yeah, 8 days. Sorry for this. Okay. So just see, if you are class checking, then we can find out the made a mistake. Okay. Now, right. Now moving to another one. Okay, P and Q together can do a job in 6 days. Q and R can finish the same job in 60 by 7 days. And P started the work. And work for 3 days. Q and R continue for 6 days. Then the difference of days in which R and P can complete the job. Interesting question. See, read the question one more time first of all. What they are saying, P and Q, they together. they can complete a work in 6 days, they said. Okay. And Q and P, sorry, Q and R, they can finish the same work in 60 by 7 days. Okay. Now P started the work. That means P started the work and worked for 3 days into 3 days. Okay. And Q R continues 6 days. That means remaining work would done Q and R. Okay. How many days? 6 days into 6 days. Okay. Then the difference of the days in which R and P. So there what they given and there what they're asking. See. So difference between R and P they are asking. That means we need to know R individual work days and P individual work days. Then only you can find this answer. Right. Now they given P plus Q and Q plus R. So take the LCM 60. Right. So this is nothing but 10 and this is nothing but 7. We know the efficiencies now. Just add this. Now they started. First day, what they given? P started the work into 3 days. 3P plus Q plus R into how many days? 6 days. Right? 6 days. So P plus R, what's the efficiency? 7, right? 7. Okay. 7 into 6, 42. Right? Am I right? 42. And it is equal to how many days? So they work total, they work, it is 60. Total work is 60. They work for 42. Okay. And remaining 3P. Now 3P equal to 60 minus 42. It's nothing but 18, right? So 3P is 18. Now P equal to 6, right? So P efficiency we know. P efficiency we know that is 6. Okay. Now P efficiency is 6 means, so total how many days P can work? 60 by 6. 10 days P will take. So P will take 10 days. Now what we want? R individual work. So P individual work is 10 days. We know. R individual work. If you know the R individual work, then we can take the difference of these two, right? What's the R individual work? How we are going to get? Here, P individual work is 6. Just substitute here. Substitute here. Okay. If it is 6, efficiency of P plus Q, efficiency is nothing but 10. Okay, 10, right? 10. And here P is 6. Then Q is nothing but 4. Is it clear? Now, here Q plus R is efficiency is 7. In this Q is 4 and R is nothing but 3. Clear? Now R efficiency we know that 3, then 60 by 3 is nothing but 20 days. So R days also we can find out 20. So what's the difference? 10 days is the difference. 10 days is the difference. So interesting question. Just recap this question one more time. So first, what they're asking to find is P plus Q. Okay, P and Q together can do a job in 6 days. Q and R can finish the same job in 60 by 7 days. They're given the fractions. No problem in that. Okay, just take the LCM 60. Okay. So what they given, the complete work is done by the P, Q plus R, but so however, P start the work first of all. P start the work and they work for 3 days. Plus remaining work Q plus R done in 6 days. Then we can find that P efficiency. From this Q efficiency. From that R efficiency. And both efficiencies you know, P can complete a work in 10 days, R can complete a work in 20 days. Right? The difference is nothing but 10 days. Clear? Interesting question. Just these are the previous questions now. Just you need to know, get the idea about this one. Now, see. Another interesting question. Assignment of Ronald and Ellen are working an assignment. Ronald takes 6 hours to complete 32 pages, and while Ellen takes 5 hours to complete 40 pages. How much time will they take working together on 2 different computers to type an assignment of 110 pages? So very simple, easiest question. But you need to understand what they given here. Ronald take how many hours? 6 hours for 32 pages. Ronald. Okay. Ronald takes 6 hours for 32 pages. For 1 hour, just calculate. First 1 hour. 32 by 6 is nothing but 16 by 3, right? And another, Ellen takes 5 hours to complete 40 pages. So 1 hour, 40 by 5 is nothing but 8 pages, right? Now we know the 16 plus 8. So take the LCM of these two. It is nothing but 16. Okay. Now it is 3. It is 3 units and it is 2 units, right? We got it. Now, so efficiency of 3 plus 2. And what they are saying here, how much time they will take for working the different computers type on 110 pages. So 110 pages is there. So sorry. Here again 1 hour we find it, right? So 1 hour we already find it. So no need taking the LCM here. So this is the efficiency actually. This is only efficiency. So this is what they're giving and confusing us. So they given 6 hours 32 pages. We find that 1 hour efficiency is nothing but 16 by 3. 1 hour efficiency is 8 pages. Now total 110 pages. By together they're working 16 by 3 plus 8, right? So it is nothing but 3 into 8, it's 24, 24 plus 16, it's nothing but 40. 110 into 3 by 40. So 0, 0 get cancelled and it's nothing but 33 by 4. 33 by 4 is nothing but just convert into hours. So 32, 8 32, right? So 8 hours and 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 15 minutes. 8 hours, 15 minutes they will take, right? 8 hours, 15 minutes. Clear? Right? So 8 hours, 15 minutes they will take. And now, moving to the next question. A can complete 2 by 3rd of the work in 4 days and B can complete 3 by 5th of the work in 6 days. In how many days can both A and B together complete the work? So fractions they given, fractions. So it's easy actually. So A can complete 2 by 3 of the work in how many days? 4 days. To convert in whole work, they given only 2 by 3rd of the work. 2 by 3rd of the work to complete the whole work. So two parts in total is 3 parts. Total in 3 parts. 2 parts is 4 days. 1 part is nothing but 2 days. So 2 days into 3 is nothing but 6 days. You can complete. And B in 3 by 5 is how many days? 6 days, right? So total 5 parts and 3 parts is 6. So that means 1 part is nothing but 2. 6 by 3, 2. And 2 into 5 is nothing but 10 days. So otherwise, if you calculate, so in like directly also 4 into 3 by 2. So inverse of this. And 6 into 5 by 3, inverse of this. Both can easy. So time saving type is, so directly you can calculate like this. So now we know that A is 10 days, A is 6 days, B is 10 days. So what is the LCM of this one? 30, right? So it is 3 and it is 5. So efficiency of this is this. So together is 8. So 30 by 8. It's nothing but 3, 6 by 8. So you can simplify this first of all. So it is nothing but 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2, 4. Then days. 3 by 4 days. 3 by 4 days is answer. Okay, right? Now, so clear. So what they given here, they given the fractions. That too, not complete work. They given a part of work. 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. They given the part of work. Then we have to convert the whole work. Then we can get the whole work in 6 days and 10 days. The same procedure. Take the LCM is nothing but 30 and take the efficiency is 5 and 3. Then 30 by 8. 30 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4. Just mix the fractions. Days is the answer, right? Now, next one. A does 4 by 5 half piece of work in 20 days. Here also they given a part of work. He then called B and they finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long B alone will take to do the whole work? Very interesting question. See, they given A part of work, A one part of work, and they're asking to find us B work. See here. So A is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 equal to 20. So total work of A equal to 4 parts is 20. 4 parts is 20. That means 1 part is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So A complete the work in 25 days. And they work for only 20 days. 20 days. Remaining 5 days work is there. So, and here they complete A and B. A plus B in 3 days. So remaining work, right? A plus B done, right? Right. So 20 days, 4 by 5 work is completed already. 20 days, 4 by 1. So remaining work is nothing but 1 by 5, right? So remaining work is nothing but fractions. So rule of flip it's using here. The rule of flip is more useful here, right? 4 by 5 work is the given. So 1 is a total work in rule of flip. So 4 by 5 is nothing but 1 by 5 work is pending. So this 1 by 5 work is who's done? A plus B, right? 1 by 5 work is who's done? A plus B. How many days? 3 days. So A plus B together can finish the work in how many days? 15 days. Now we know that A plus A and we know the A plus B, right? Clear? Now just take that one. 15 days and 25 days. Just now we know that A is 25 and A plus B is 15. Just take the LCM. Then we can find the B work, right? Otherwise, we just take the fraction also. So just subtract 1 by 5, 1 by 15 minus 1 by 25. It's nothing but. So what's the LCM of this one? 30. Sorry. LCM of this 50 and 75 is LCM, right? 3 75 and 5 75. Okay. 30 45 no 50, yeah 3 75 is as LCM and it's nothing but 5 minus 3. So 2 by 75. 2 by 75. It means, so inverse. This is efficiency of B. 1 day work of B. 1 day work of B and B total work is nothing but 75 by 2. It's nothing but how many days? 37.5. 37.5. This is clear. So this is how we have to find the rule of flip also. Okay. Now moving to the next question. We'll complete the fast one. Okay. If you have any doubt, then ask. A does 7 by 10 part of work in 15 days. After that, he completes remaining work in 4 days with the help of B. The same thing here also we are doing. In how many days A and B together do the same work? So more easy actually there. See, so A by 7 by 10. 7 by 10 in how many days? 15 days. So in 15 days, total work is nothing but 15 into 10 by 7. 15 into 10 by 7. Okay. So it is nothing but 150 by 7. So no need to find us actually a value actually. So it's waste of time actually. It's waste of time. See what they given. A can find 7 by 10. What's the remaining work? What's the remaining work? 7 by 10. 1 minus 7 by 10. It's nothing but 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 work done by A plus B. A plus B in how many days? In how many days? 4 days. So total work is nothing but A plus B. They're asking A plus B. It's nothing but 4 into 10 by 3. It's nothing but 40 by 3. How many days? So 40 by 3 is nothing but 13 1 by 3, right? So 13 1 by 3 days. So easy, no need to calculate the A individual days also. So directly you can take what's the remaining work. What is the remaining work? Then the remaining work A plus B done in 4 days. Then total days is nothing but into that. So 13 3 by 1 by 3 days, they will finish the work. Okay, they are not asking for individual work of B, individual work of A. So we can complete directly. You can take this one. Okay. Now check this. Now clearing all this, and then next question. A can cultivate 2 by 3, 2 by 5 of land in 6 days, and B can cultivate 1 by 3rd of the same land in 10 days. Working together, A and B can cultivate 4 by 5th in land. How many days they are asking? Very simple. Same thing. See, A can complete 2 by 5 days of the work in 6 days. The work in 6 days. That means, so 2 parts in 6 days, 1 part is 3. So total work in 15 days. And B, this is A, and B, 1 by 3rd in how many days? 10 days. So into 3 is nothing but 30 days. 30 days. And now working together, they can complete 4 by, so see here, they're asking not the total work, they're asking only for 4 by 5th of the work. So if you know the A, if you know the B, then we can find out A plus B, like 15 plus, so rule of flip we are taking here. Rule of flip we are taking here. So 1 by 30. So adding this is nothing but 2 plus 1, 3 by 30. 3 by 30 is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means, so inverse, it is A plus B can do in 10 days. Whole work. But what they're saying, only 4 by 5th of the work into 4 by 5th of the work. It is 2 and it is 2 into 4, 8 days. 8 days is nothing but A and B can finish the 4 by 5th of the work in 8 days only. See the difference. So what the difference here? They ask for A plus B together, cultivate the land only 4 by 5th of the work. Not total work, right? So first just find that A individual work and B individual work, then take A plus B, it's nothing but 10 into 4 by 5 is nothing but 8 days. Is it clear? A can complete a work in 6 days while B can complete the same work in 12 days. They together complete the work portion of, okay, what the portion of A they're asking? Interesting question. See, A complete in 6 days, B complete in 12 days. Take the LCM, 12, right? So it is 2, it is 1. So efficiency of A is 2, efficiency of B is 1, right? How many days they will take together? How many days? A plus B, 12 by 3. It's nothing but 4 days. So 4 days they complete, but what they're asking, what's the portion of A? What's the portion of A? What's that? 2, right? 2, efficiency is 2. Efficiency is 2. And 4 days, it's nothing but 8. So 8 parts A will do, and B is do in 4 parts. Okay, right. So, but if they're given in fractions, better just do it in rule of flip method. I'll do it now. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. It's nothing but 3 by 12 is nothing but 4 days, right? So 4 days the total. 4 days the total they can complete. Okay, what is the 1 day work? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 4. 1 by 6 into 4. It's nothing but 2 by 3. 2 by 3rd of the work A can complete. 1 by 3rd of the work B can complete. Even we got 4 even before the 1, 8 plus 4. These are 3 parts. Sorry, this is 2 parts and this is 1 part. Total is 12 parts, right? You can do anything. Okay. So this is how we are using rule of flip and rule of LCM method. Okay. Thanks for watching now. After this, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.